Welcome back to the VIEZU Workshop. I'm James, and today on our dyno we've got this Jaguar F-Pace SVR in for a remap, dyno and some sports cat upgrades. We've already fitted these 200 cell cats to this Jaguar, and well, if you're wondering why you'd want to fit sports cats to your car, let me tell you, 200 cell cats are very much like your standard OEM cats but with fewer cells. Now the fewer cells mean that there's less resistance for the gases escaping from the engine and therefore allows the engine to breathe better, creating more performance. And well, the best part is that it creates even more noise and is still emissions compliant. Now from factory, this F-Pace should be running 543 brake horsepower and 680 Newton meters of torque. So let's get it strapped down and find out what the real figures are. Sounds pretty good, doesn't it, already? But we can see from the data it's running a little bit hot at 550 brake horsepower and 690 Newton meters of torque. But it's time to get the data off the ECU and get it upstairs to our technical team to find out what we can do. This F-Pace's ECU is accessible through OBD and bench mode. In this instance, we will be doing it in bench mode. Our workshop technicians have removed engine bay coverings so that they can easily and safely access the ECU to make the connections required with the KES 3. Once data has been read from the ECU, the file writing team can write a custom performance map. In this custom map, they will need to alter the fueling maps and the torque limiter maps, along with a number of others to allow the car to achieve more power and torque while still keeping the change figures within the safe operation parameters for the vehicle. All the ECU modifications are done. We've written the file back to the ECU. It's time to find out what all those changes add up to. After that final run, we can see that this F-Pace is now running 600 brake horsepower and 810 Newton meters of torque. Some massive gains. And if you'd like the same treatment for your car, then give us a call on 01789 77 4444 or email info@viezu.com.